Quiz time. Who was the father of many nations? Isaac, Jacob, Abraham, Joseph. Abraham. What did God create on the first day? Plants, animals, light, humans. Light. Who led the Israelites out of Egypt? Aaron, Joshua, Moses, David. Moses. Where was Jesus born? Nazareth, Bethlehem, Jerusalem, Capernaum. Bethlehem. Who was the first man? Noah, Moses, Abraham, Adam. Adam. What is the longest book in the Bible? Isaiah, Psalms, Genesis, Exodus. Psalms. Who was thrown into the lion's den? Joseph, Daniel, Elijah, Jonah. Daniel. What is the first book of the New Testament? Mark, Luke, Matthew, John. Matthew. Who betrayed Jesus? Peter, Judas, John, Thomas. Judas. What is the shortest verse in the Bible? Jesus wept. God is love. I am the way. Rejoice always. Jesus wept. Who built the ark? Adam, Abraham, Noah, Moses. Noah. Who received the 10 Commandments? David, Moses, Aaron, Joshua. Moses. Who was the strongest man in the Bible? Saul, Samson, Solomon, Goliath. Samson. Who was the wisest king of Israel? Saul, David, Solomon, Rehoboam. Solomon. What did Jesus turn water into at the wedding in Cana? Wine, bread, oil, milk. Wine. Who wrote many of the Psalms? Solomon, David, Isaiah, Jeremiah. David. Who was the first woman? Sarah, Ruth, Esther, Eve. Eve. How many disciples did Jesus have? 10, 12, 15, 7. 12. Who killed Goliath? Saul, Jonathan, David, Solomon. David. What river was Jesus baptized in? Tigris, Euphrates, Jordan, Nile. Jordan.